Okay, today we're going to be solving systems with three variables. Solving systems with three variables. Now, in this section, it's going to be very, very important that you keep your work very neat and very organized. These problems are very tedious, and there's a lot of opportunity to make mistakes if you get unorganized or get sloppy. So here's the way that this works. You're going to be solving a system, and your system will look like this today. Let's start with 2x minus y plus z. And that's equal to 4. And then we got x plus 3y minus z equals 11. And 4x plus y minus z equals 14. All right, step number one when you're solving these systems with three variables is you need to number the equations. So here's equation 1, 2, and 3. Now, the second step is to pair up equations 1 and 2 and equations 2 and 3. So we're going to take equation 1 and we're going to write it over here. 2x minus y plus z is equal to 4. And equation number 2, x plus 3y minus z equals 11. Then you're going to do the same thing with equation 2 and 3. So equation 2 over here is x plus 3y again, minus z equals 11. And equation number 3 is 4x plus y minus z equals 14. Now you're going to choose one variable that you're going to eliminate from equations 1 and 2 and equations 2 and 3. And we're going to use z because, as you can see in equations 1 and 2, if we just combine those two equations right now, the z will go away, won't it? So let's do that. We're going to go right here, and we're going to add these two equations together, and 2x plus x is 3x. Negative y plus 3y. Negative y plus 3y is positive 2y. And that's equal to 15. So our z is gone over here. So since we got rid of z over there, we're going to get rid of z over here. But now you can see that we need to manipulate one of these equations, right? So I'm going to multiply equation number 2 by negative 1, because that'll give us a positive z in equation 2. So when we multiply equation 2 by negative 1, we get negative x minus 3y plus z equals negative 11. We can leave equation 3 alone. So it's 4x plus y minus the z equals 14. And then we're going to combine those two equations. So negative x plus 4x is 3x. Negative 3y plus y, negative 2y. The z's go away. And negative 11 plus 14 is 3. Now, what I forgot to do back here, when I combined equations 1 and 2 together, I got another equation, right? We're going to call that one 4. And then when I combined equations 2 and 3, I got another equation, which we're going to call 5. So that process that we just went through eliminated the z's, correct? So now we're going to do it again to eliminate one more variable. And if you look at equation 4 and equation 5, the y's will go away, won't they? So let's just take equation 5 and we'll write it over here, which is 3x minus 2y equals 3. If we combine equation 4 with equation 5, we're going to get 6x equals 18. And we can now divide by 6. And x is equal to 3. Now you've got one variable and you need to find 2 more. So you can go back now to either equation number 4 or equation 5, because those two only have 2 variables in them. And you substitute this 3 for the x. So I'm going to go over here to 5 and I'm going to substitute 3. So I get 3 times 3 minus 2y equals 3, which is 9 minus 2y equals 3. Subtract 9 from each side. Negative 2y is going to equal negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 2. And y equals 3. So x equals 3, y equals 3. And we get to go back to one of the first 3 original equations and substitute the x and the y to find the z. So I'm going to go back to equation number 1. And I'm going to take 2 times 3 minus 3 plus z, leave it equal to 4. So we get 6 minus 3 plus z equals 4. And 6 minus 3 is 3 plus z equals 4. And if we subtract 3 from each side, then z is equal to 1. So we list our solution alphabetically. So here's our solution. X is equal to 3. Yeah, I know. Y is equal to 3. And z is equal to 1. Fun, huh? Yeah. It's a couple steps. Couple of steps. Isn't it rewarding though when you're finished? Yeah, it's like when you go for a good hard run, you know, and you run a little bit further than, or you run a lot further than you did the last time. You're really tired when you get finished, but God, you feel good. Or when you're doing push-ups and you do a few more reps each set and your arms feel like they're going to fall off when you're done, but God, you feel good. You feel good, you know? It's like when you take another extra 3 or 4 rounds of batting practice, or you stay after practice and you hit in the cage. You're tired, your hands are sore, your legs are sore. Man, it makes you feel good. It's very rewarding. That's what solving systems with 3 variables is. It's just like that. It's very rewarding. So we can either do another one together, or I can give you a few to try on your own. Want to do another one? Emily doesn't want to do another one. Anybody else? Who needs to see another one? Well, how about I'm going to do another one. And, oh, I don't have any work to give you yet because I got to quit using my screen if I give you work. Yeah. I think the best thing for you to do is I'm going to give you like 2 problems to start them. And if you get confused, come ask for help and don't just start playing on your phone. So let's try this. Page 171. Just going to try 9 and 10 for today. What else do you have to do? I mean, I know you got to check your social media and all that other stuff. That's so important.